Hi everyone, on today's segment I'll make grilled chicken with mixed green salad and avocado. Pat the chicken dry with paper towels before seasoning both sides with salt and pepper. If desired, sprinkle your favorite herbs and spices on the chicken for added flavor. I'm using oregano. Place a large skillet or frying pan over medium-high heat and add a tablespoon of canola oil to coat the bottom of the pan. Carefully place the chicken in the hot pan. Cook the chicken on each side for about 5 to 7 minutes or until it develops a golden brown crust and it's nicely seared. The internal temperature should reach about 165 degrees. The chicken is about 1.25 inches thick. Once it's removed from the pan, let it rest for a couple of minutes before cutting. On a cutting board, use a sharp paring knife and slice the avocado lengthwise, beginning and ending at the stem end. Peel the skin and cut the avocado lengthwise. Cut the tomatoes and the cucumbers lengthwise. Chop some cilantro and parsley, and then cut the chicken breast. Assemble your salad and you're done. Thank you again for watching, and if you like what you just saw, please drop me a like and I'll see you guys next time. Bye.